Good morning and happy Tuesday. It is 6:18. The kids are still asleep, but we're getting up and getting our routine started. On the agenda today, I need to get my morning routine done, and then the plan is to go through the kids' rooms completely. I'm talking getting rid of toys, going through clothes that don't fit them anymore, the whole nine, just getting everything reorganized because right now they're totally a mess. But first, let's get our morning routine done. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, anybody.
Hey, what are you doing on my bed? Get off my bed. Get down. Apparently Stetson is awake, so let's go ahead and finish up the skincare. This has been like my go-to skincare. Look at that. My skin has honestly never looked this good. I'll link everything in the description for y'all so you can check it out. I also have a few shorts on my page going through my whole skincare routine, so you can check those out too. I'll link those in the description too. All right, you ready to make chocolate milk?
Chocolate milk. I'm ready to make chocolate milk, guys. Yeah. I want to do the chocolate milk. Mom, I did.
Oh, in both? No! Darn it. Okay, hold on. There we go. Redo. Drink some water. I've been starting every morning by drinking warm lemon water. It's supposed to help aid your digestion and like boost your metabolism. I've been doing it for about a week and I feel like it's actually helping. We are gonna go sit in the living room and read our Bible app. Where to start, just download the Bible app. Every day they have a verse of the day and a video that you can watch. It's a step-by-step guide, super, super easy, free, very simple. We're gonna go meet my mom, my sister, and my grandma for a walk. The kids have their horses. They are ready to go. I had my sourdough starter in the fridge the entire time we were gone. So right now I'm gonna let it sit in the windowsill for like an hour or two and let it warm up. Then we're gonna feed it. Hopefully she bounces back. Since we're back in from our walk, I'm gonna go ahead and make my protein iced coffee. I'm gonna try the brownie batter puff bar. I really like the coconut one, so I think I'll like this one too. My coffee recipe and everything I use, I'll have linked in the description. Okay, let's give it a try. That is really good. I think these have 17 grams of protein. Yeah. It's kind of the texture of a marshmallow, but it tastes like brownie batter. Very, very good. All right, we've started going through toys. I went through the living room bin. We already have like half a yellow trash bag full. Maggie's room is actually an absolute disaster, so let's get started. Okay, it's at least somewhat better. I need to hang a few more things, but oh gosh, you can actually see the floor. Bedroom number 2 is quite the disaster. Wish me luck. Room 2 is clean. Look at that. You can actually see the floor, but now our hallway is full of all the junk we need to donate. So I'm gonna have to do that. It's time for lunch. I am grilling up some chicken sausage, I guess searing it in a pan, not grilling it. And then I also have some zucchini that I cooked yesterday. Got this from our garden. And then don't judge me, but I like doing rice in the microwave. It's just a little bit easier, so that's what we're gonna do for lunch. Suction on these. Cooked some zucchini yesterday, so we're gonna heat that up. So good. Chicken sausage is super easy because the kids will eat it too.
I need starter.
Okay. I like jasmine rice, but I also like coconut rice. It has just like that sweet coconut flavor, you know. Add some liquid aminos.
It's ready?
It's ready, baby.
Oh yeah, baby. What's your day?
This is one of my favorite lunches. It is so filling. And high in protein. One kid ate all the sausage, well, except one piece. And one ate the rice, but now they're eating peanut butter and jelly. I got these little Lunchables. Okay, they're like peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, or it's peanut butter sandwich, and you dip it in the jelly. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Do you like it, Maggie? Oh, she's just now trying it. Is it good? Mmm. The kids and I are gonna go meet some friends at the pool, so we've got our bog bag all loaded up with our towels, snacks, drinks, and we are ready to head out the door. Are you guys ready to go to the pool?
Yeah!
Say, let's go!
Let's go! Then we need my white jacket.
I brought your life jackets in the back.
Yeah!
We made it home. Everybody is exhausted, but I can't wait. I'm gonna put it right here on the screen. Stetson was jumping in the pool without a life jacket on. He's doing so stinking good. I'm so proud of him. Just last week, he was not doing that. He was barely jumping off the edge. So now him with a life jacket on. So now doing this, so exciting. He was also jumping in the deep end and swimming back to the shallow end. It was crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're so proud of you.
Maggie, she's sleeping.
Yeah, Maggie's sleeping. We are showered, clean, still sleepy, but we're heading over to my parents for Bible study and to go eat dinner. And we will see y'all in the next one. Bye.